Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to loop over and then pull that cord through, and we are going to stick the needle through like that, and then you're going to do one extra chain more than the amount of beads per row. So in this case we're going to do 8 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're going to connect the end of your chain. So you're going to stick through the first loop, and then you're going to pull through both loops on the needle. So this one and that one. One, 2. Okay, so now you've got all of your chains on there, and you're going to start adding beads. So we're going to pull the beads forward, go through the first loop, bring down a bead, and it's going to be behind your hook, and the hook is going to be underneath that cord. You're just going to grab it and pull through one, and then through the second one. You're going to keep adding beads until you've added the number for the first row. In this case, that is 7. So there's 2. Pull down, grab, pull through. That's 3. 4. There we go. Okay, so that is your base row of beads. And now what you're going to do is you're going to add the second row. I'm going to get this thread out of my way a little bit. Okay, so you're going to bring more beads on. And then you're going to stick your crochet hook underneath that bead, underneath like this. And then you're going to bring this cord around the back. Okay. And you're going to slide a bead down. So you want the bead to be kind of behind this other bead. And you're going to grab your thread with the hook through the first loop, through the second loop. You're going to do that to the next one. Okay, underneath the bead, wrap it around, pull it underneath the first one, and then underneath the second one. Okay, and you just keep doing that for the row. These first few rows are going to be a little bit harder to do because you're forming the base that you're going to use to grip, and the beads are a little bit more floppy because they don't have that base to hold them in place. But I promise that after you get the first few rows, it does get easier. I'm kind of pushing that bead behind to get it where I want it. Through the first loop, through the second loop, push it in. And you can see that as I go, it starts to get a little bit more lined up, and you can kind of see the rows start to form a little bit better. So you're just going to keep going around. There isn't a step up in this process. You just keep adding beads and it will spiral on its own. Okay, so I'm going to finish this row and then I'll show you how to end it. So I'm kind of using my finger to get the beads where I want them and hold them in place, and then pulling through. So let's say that you kept going, you've gotten your spiral forming and you're all finished. Then what you're going to do is you're just going to crochet a row of plain loops with no beads. So I'm going to get rid of these beads. In your case, you probably use them all up. You're going to wrap it around and pull through just like you've been doing, but without any beads. Go through the next one, wrap it around, pull through, next one, wrap it around, pull through. And you can see how it's pushing those beads down into place so that they're not sticking up like these ones. So it makes the end of the end beads lock into place better. Okay, so I have one left. Okay, and then to finish, what you're going to do is you're just going to pull the loop through one more time, pull it out, take some scissors, cut it, pull that through, and then pull like that, and you're done.